So this is the part 2 to my headlight video. I showed you previously how I disassemble, upgrade and all that stuff. Now I'm gonna show you the headlights. So that's the projectors and the LED high beam corner lights. Everything's all LED. This side. Unfortunately, on this side, the angel eye is not working. So anybody who has an E90, you understand the difficulty of changing that car. So I got to take off the wheel and all that extra stuff. So, but yeah, this is how it looks for right now. And then being that I have the dual color LEDs, let me switch it up and give you a view of that.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
So those are the headlights, and yeah, I think a pretty good job. I'm gonna get some cinematics and make y'all see what's really popping. The car looks fire to me with these new lights in there, so yeah, stay tuned.